Hi, it's Tekina-eirú, Nature's Clarity Coach, and I'm here at my favorite pond to give you the opportunity to share with me this peaceful time that I'm going to spend before I get into some work this evening. Why is it important that we once in a while run away and do something that brings us relaxation? Because if you're like me, you work really hard at what you do. And whether you are a licensed professional therapist, a doctor, a community volunteer, a mom or dad who stay at home with kids, whoever you are, you probably give a lot of yourself to people. And when you do that, it's sort of like being a cell phone with a battery that will run out unless you stop and plug in once in a while. So today, I am debuting this video series called When Nature Sings with Tekina-eirú. And I'm going to be taking you on different adventures. And starting next week, we'll be taking you on an adventure to Puerto Rico. And we're going to be interviewing different people to see what they do to take a break. And I'll give you a hint. They're all going to have something to do with peaceful times in nature. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you this beautiful pond. Yep. If you know me, you know that I work really hard at what I do every day. And if it wasn't for this beautiful pond that I love to run away to every evening, frankly, I would be toast. This is my way of finding peace and recharging. And through this video series, I'm going to encourage all of you to find what you need to be whole again, to feel refreshed, to not feel exhausted, because it's very important that every day you recharge. So I hope you enjoyed my little glimpse of heaven. And like I said, next week we're going to start this video series, and I will be filming from Puerto Rico. And I'm going to be interviewing people who are connected to the island and to the naturaleza. And we're going to find out how they feel connected to nature and they do to find peace and recharge in their everyday life. So, I hope you enjoyed this. It's Tekina-eirú, Nature's Clarity Coach. I'll see you in Puerto Rico.